we need to log in. After that, product was showing correct, order was different, right? Order was different, so order should be dynamic. First we change the color of this order. Okay, it look like dead color, orange color. Okay, we have to change it to the red or blue something. We'll change to red. Open the dashboard file. From which login? Seller login. From seller login, open the dashboard page. Okay, from seller login, you can open the dashboard, change the text color as a danger. Okay, so next product was with the sufficient everything. Then in the manage order, it was empty. Add product was okay with the validation. Dashboard was, one was dynamic. This is the static. So in dashboard, first we'll complete this. We'll make this one as a dynamic. Right? Go here under the dashboard and then before use effect, write one more variable and function. All order and update order. All order and update order. All order and update order. Okay, ready? Come down. Next, we need to go to the if function and we can write here call get order. Same function you can copy paste below. And here instead of product, you have to write the order. And don't pass any seller ID in this. We will do something else for that because our data is organized in different order. All the order have the seller ID, but structure is something else. First, let's print all the orders, then we'll filter it. Okay, so this is we added. Next, after this, order array, then below update order function we need to call. Okay, so let's complete this function. Okay, function written, get order. You can call here below and print the length of all order. Get order we have to call in use effect. In use effect, we need to call the get order. After that, all order. After that, all order. All order dot length. All order dot length. So it will display exact number of order. But this order is for all the sellers. Like suppose you are selling a product, I am selling a product. So your order will also come, my order will come. It will give the length of all the orders. Okay, so it will not give the length as a seller wise. It is not able to find as of now the length as a seller wise. Okay, it has to find the length of order seller wise. Like suppose I am a seller, I log in. So I should see the orders, only those orders that has come to my product. It should not display those orders that has come to someone else's product. Okay. It will show as of now only those orders. It will show all the orders. We will filter on that. We have to apply one if condition, then it will happen. Check now. Coming length. We will display the order also in the order list. And once order is listing, then we'll apply the filter condition. In both the file, we'll add a filter, or maybe here also we can do a filter. And then same code will add there. Getting length. So coming for everyone, yes, no can come in the chat. You can log out and place one more order and see that is coming or not. You can log out and place one more order and check once that length is getting increased. Okay. So for 8-9 people, the order list is coming. Very good. But in that my question is, okay, the seller is login, right? Let's go to your that file, open that file. Data.json file we have, no? Open that file. You can open from here. Open file option is there, open from here. Data.json file, you open from here and then go to the order. Go to the order. In order you will find every product have one seller ID. In order I am talking. Whichever the order is placed, in that order list, item list, what we have, item list, we have a product and every product have the seller ID. Seller ID, seller ID, seller ID, correct? You can see seller ID is available everywhere in all the orders. All the orders and all the product. Individual product have the which one? Seller ID. But here filter what we wanted to apply is like suppose I log in as a seller 1. Okay, I log in as a seller 1. It should show me only those orders. It should show me only those orders where product seller ID is matching with my ID. Understood, no? It should show me those product where seller ID is matching with the login ID. Whoever is login, it should match with their ID. It should not display the product of some other seller. Clear? नहीं समझे? जीमेल में आप लॉगिन करते हो तो मेरा इनबॉक्स आपको नहीं दिखना चाहिए ना. When you log in the Gmail, you should see your message only. No? You should not see my message, right? Or if everyone message will go to everyone, what is the meaning of that? Correct? So here also, suppose one order came to my product, that order should not be visible to you. Okay? If one order came to your product, that order should be visible to you. That should not display to me. Correct? Okay. So first, let's list out the orders in both the pages. After that, we'll delete all the product and we'll delete all the accounts also. We will create two accounts, seller 1 and seller 2. Using seller 1, we will add two product, and using seller 2, we will add the two product. Okay. And then we will log in, and after that, we will apply the condition. Then we'll come to know really seller 1 product order is coming to seller 1 and seller 2 product order is coming to seller. You have now multiple garbage account. You will not be sure which account and which product. Okay. Okay. So no problem. Come to the again which file? Order list file. Okay. In order list again we'll display all the orders. Then we'll apply the filter. So first from the dashboard, this function and variable you can copy. This function and variable we can copy. Use effect also you can copy. This much. Function, variable and use effect. Next go to the order page. We have a page in the seller module called order list. Paste this function in the beginning. And also you have to call the import the use state and use effect. Import use state and import the use effect. Import the use state and import the use effect. Both. Get product is not exist in this current component, so this function you have to remove from the use effect. Okay, so done till here. So order will be able to fetch. All the data will come here. Go to the all order. From all order, we need to display in the bottom. The structure of the list will be something like, the structure of the list will be something like customer name in the left side and all the product in the right side. Again, next customer in the next left side and all the product in the right side, because one customer and multiple product. Okay, so it should represent this is the customer and this all are the product. And with the product quantity will be mentioned. Okay, so hope we have added this code. Let me share you in the chat. Share in the chat. Okay, done. कल मैंने बोला था ना कि बिना सब्सक्राइब किए मेरे चैनल को देखेंगे तो पाप जाएगा, तो 4 लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किया था। मतलब कि 4 लोग बिना सब्सक्राइब किए वीडियो देख रहा है, समझे कि नहीं? देखो, दैट इज नॉट इंटेंशन दैट यू शुड सब्सक्राइब, ओके। है तो सब्सक्राइब कर दो आप, क्या दिक्कत। एक बटन क्लिक करने में कुछ तो जाता नहीं है। तो जाता है क्या? नहीं जाता है ना। ओके, let's come now. So this row is finished. After this row, okay, after this row you will create the map, all order dot map. Okay, so we'll write here called order comma index, order comma index, return a division class, class name row, as well as MB454 is okay. I'll give you 4 videos. In that 4 videos, we have learned all get and post using the fetch method. One more method we have, some company use that, Axios, 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 okay. Using Axios also we can do the same thing, sending, receiving and all. In Axios, the number of line get reduced. We write here dot, then again dot, then we used to set the post method, headers and all. In Axios, we don't have to do the settings. Okay, only one then is sufficient. Already 4 videos are there, but in that one page, the first page is where I have set up the routing. That was on React 14 version. In that, in routing, now we use the roots. Their roots is not there. So many people have followed that, and then while implementing the routing, they got stuck because they will set up the project on current version, and that is the older version. So routing will not set up. Routing will not set up, then they cannot go to the next video. Okay, so मैं आपको बना के दूंगा, आप देखिएगा उसको. It will be helpful. Like using Axios, how to get, how to post, how to update, and how to delete. 4 method. JSON server you can set up, and in that using Axios you can get also, post also, update and delete. Okay. Maybe not maybe, many places it will be helpful. Fetch is the standard method. For that we don't need to install anything extra. But Axios we have to install extra. We have to do npm install Axios. Okay, and fetch is default function of your Ecommerce script. Okay, that I'll give within 2-3 days. In this holidays, 1-2 holidays is there, that I'll try to make a small 3-4 videos that will be helpful. Okay, so next key index given. Now in this row, so now what you are generating? Under the map function, you are creating the row, correct? Under the map function, we are creating the row. So suppose you will place the order, for you, it will create one row. I will place the order, for me, it will create another row. Okay. And under that row, the three will be, three will be, three will be for customer details. And 9 will be for product details. 3 and 9. Under 3, we will display the customer information, and under the 9, we will display the product information. Okay. Under the 3, let's display the details of customer, H4, full name, order dot Order dot, what is the property name? You can see in order list. Full name, email, mobile, and address. Okay. Order dot full name. Order dot full name. Mobile, email. The remaining you can display in paragraph. Okay. This address you can display in address tab. It may come little italic. Or this complete everything you can display in address tab. Hold on. I'll keep everything in address tab. It may display italic little. It may look better. This all you can put in an address tab, and all the value you can include inside the P tab. Okay, full name, mobile, email, then address. It's like this. Inside the row, what you can do is MB5, MB5, and also try with the shadow hyphen LG. How it look? It look like this. Shadow, how it will look? That let us see. Shadow is okay. Shadow LG look like more shadow. Shadow. I think we can apply some P34 also. Apply some kind of rounded also. It may look more better. Okay, so this looks little fine compared to previous one. Okay, apply this row rounded and something. Okay, so printing customer details. Now go to the 9. Under the 9, we need to display the data in table. We can use class equal to table, and we can use here E head we have to follow, and TR we have to follow. Under the TR, what are the main information will display is TH, product, name we can display there. Next TH we can follow for photo, and then we can follow next call price. Next we can follow for quantity, and next we can follow for total. Okay, so this will be for every orders. For every orders, this will appear like this. Next, T body you will start, and under the T body, under the T body, under the T body, use the map function again, but where you will run the map, you can see customer information you printed already, correct? No, customer information we printed. Now what we have is, next we have called, look into the array, you will come to know. This is the customer information you printed. Now you can see the next item list is an array. So we have to write order dot item list dot map. Okay, we have to write order dot item list dot map. Order is your inner level element. You can see order is the inner level object. And under the inner level object, one more we have next inner level object, that is called item list. So we have to write order dot item list dot map. Order dot item list dot map. Okay. Each order script कहाँ पे? हाँ हाँ यस, हाँ हाँ लगाना वो. This will display the outer array. The map function is going to read the which one? Outer array is converting into object. Okay. Now when it's converting, then inside the outer array from here to here, multiple orders are there, no? So it will run for each curly bracket, outer array, outer map. Now when the map will run for each curly bracket, one curly bracket suppose execute, then inside again you have which one? Array. It should become a nested array. Okay, so for nested array you have to use the nested map. हमने पढ़ाया था आपको रिएक्ट में, वो करली बनाए थे ना, वो फील्ड सेट, थर्ड फोर्थ क्लास, एलिमेंट इनसाइड एलिमेंट, city and then user, city and then user. City was the main array. Inside the city there was a user or account, that was a sub element. That was single dimensional array. But now this becomes a array of object. Each order, comma, index 2. Index 2. Each order, comma, each item, better write. Each item, comma, index 2. Each item, comma, index 2. Each item, comma, index 2. Okay, next come down, return the tr, return tr, the key equal to index 2, key equal to index 2. Next td, next td, each item dot name, each item dot name, each item 3 4 and 5. Price into each item dot qty. Each item dot qty. Each item dot price. Then finally each item dot photo. img src equal to, correct, height equal to 4050, width is also 4050. Okay, then here each item dot photo. So whichever the order we have placed, that item will be displayed here successfully in the list. You get idea on something like this. In each order, whichever the product was placed the order, that will display inside the list. Okay, so let me share you complete this T body. You can use the full T body also if it is required. Full T body, use it according to need. You can log out and place the order and come and check once that order is order is getting placed or not. Coming? Table border. For table we have to write class equal to table. Inside the 9 you have a table, their class name equal to table. Then पेज को refresh कीजिए. Double quote, single quote problem. कौन सा नहीं देता? नहीं, ये कौन सा पेज है? ऑर्डर है ना? ऑर्डर पेज पे जाना, आप तो डैशबोर्ड पे हो. ब्राउजर में ऑर्डर कर लीजिए. ये भी नहीं है. हाँ यार, सब तो आ ही रहा है. आ रहा है, आ रहा है. कस्टमर एक है, प्रोडक्ट मल्टीपल है, इसीलिए राइट साइड में मल्टीपल रिकॉर्ड आएगा. ठीक. Okay, so hope list is working correct. Place the order. Place a new order and check once. Go to the home page. Place the order. One apple, one something, one something, one something, one something, one water, one laptop, correct? And go to the cart. You will find place order करने के बाद सर्वर गड़बड़ी है इधर. There is something wrong in your code. Okay. You see the spelling of headers. Headers का spelling देखो आप. Headers का spelling देखिए. You are posting something wrong. Because of that, place order. Order is placed. Cart become empty. After that, we'll go to the login, seller one, and when I go to the order list, I can see one order, one user has given this many orders. Okay, second user this all orders. But in that, it is not sure that all the product belong to same seller. This all product belong to same seller. If some product belong to other seller, that also come here. That should not come. That filter we need to apply. Okay, so hope done till here. We need to apply the next condition. If condition. So here order is getting placed. So can you say yes no in chat? Everything is fine. Okay. Now we have to apply the condition. Okay. Before applying the condition, we have to delete all the product and all the seller and all the accounts. Everything we have to delete data. Okay. And we have to add the fresh data. 3 products from one seller and 2 products from other seller. Okay. So we will delete all the data. We will keep our JSON server complete empty JSON file, and then we'll create 2 account. Then using one account we'll log in. We'll add 3 product. Using another account we'll log in. We'll add 2 product. After that, as a customer will place the order, 2 product from the seller 1 and 1 product from the seller 2. And we'll log in as a seller 1. We'll see how many product is coming. And we'll log in as a seller 2. We'll see how many product is coming in the order. Okay. So you log out first from here. And after log out, open your JSON data file and delete all the accounts. Delete all the account and delete all the product. All the account, all the product, all the account, all the product. Okay. And delete all orders. अब क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हो आप? जैसे मैंने कार्ड के डाले से देखना डिलीट होगा ना वो। डिलीट कार्ड से डिलीट किया हो तो डिलीट तो होगा ही होगा। कार्ड से हम लोगों ने डेटा को डिलीट कर दिया है ना। हाँ, सेव फंक्शन पे डाले हैं। ऑर्डर प्लेस होने के बाद डेटा डिलीट होगा कार्ड से, नहीं तो आप जो आप कार्ड में ऐड किए हो फिर से दिखाते रहेगा वो। कौन एरर आएगी? उधर जाइए, फंक्शन में जाइए। कहाँ से डिलीट कर रहे हो आप? हम्म, ठीक है, सेव पे क्लिक करने के बाद क्या कॉल किया? ये लाइन को हटा दीजिए, कोड में जाइए। ये जो डिलीट वाला लाइन लिखा हुआ है ना, इसको कमेंट कर दो, ये दोनों लाइन को हटा। तो तीनों, दोनों तीन है तो चार क्यों डिलीट कर रहा है? हाँ, डिलीट लाइन। ठीक है, बाकी सब ठीक हो जाएगा। ओके, सो एवरीथिंग इज एम्प्टी। हाँ, नहीं नहीं, जाइए फॉलो कीजिए अभी, कैसे कंफ्यूज रहा होगा। गो एंड डिलीट द रिकॉर्ड। Make everything empty like this. Empty done. And will register as a two seller, not 10, 20, only two. Okay. Clear all the data. Register as a one seller. Seller one. S1 @gmail.com. Password 123. Seller one is created. Seller two. S2 gmail.com 123. Okay. So two seller is created. While adding the product, I'll guide you. Okay. While adding the product, when we will add the product name will give something like this. मैं बताता हूँ आपको कैसे करेंगे। पूरा डिलीट हो गया, and then you created two account. Let's do that. You have deleted all the data, then you created two account. Seller one and seller two. Seller one and seller two. देखो. Now after that, log in as a seller one, and we will add the product. Product name will give like this. Apple seller one. Apple from seller one. So that will come to know this product belong to whom? Seller one. Okay. Price 300. Photo 1.jpg. This product belongs to seller one. Okay. One added. Mango by seller two. Seller two. 100 rupees. 2.jpg. This product belong to seller one. So seller one is going to add three product. Select. कहाँ हमने? हाँ, दिस प्रोडक्ट बिलोंग टू सेलर टू हमने लिख दिया। हाँ, मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ इधर। दिस प्रोडक्ट बिलोंग टू सेलर वन. सेलर वन, या यू हैव टू डू सेलर वन, सेलर वन. बनाना सेलर वन. सेलर वन. 50 rupees. 5 kg. This product belong to seller one. So seller 1 will add 3 product. It will display for him. Seller 1, seller 1, seller 1. Okay, seller 1, seller 1, seller 1. 3 product will be added by seller 1. Now again we'll log out and we will add 2 product as a seller 2. Seller 2 will add the printer and scanner. कुछ अलग product add कीजिए. Okay. Seller 2 will add the different type of product. Seller 2 will add the different type of product. Seller 2 will add different type of product. So you add it in both the login case, seller 1 and seller 2. Printer from seller 2. Price 12,000. Photo 4.jpg. This product belongs to seller 2. And a scanner. Seller 2. 5,000. 2.jpg. This product belongs to seller 2. Okay, this product belongs to seller 2. Seller 2 will see their own product and seller 1 will see their own product.
Right. Sir?
Sir?
So in seller 2, it is the serial number 4, 5 commits come 1, 2, 3 or
What is 1, 2, 3?
so in seller this is and this page is seller 2, right?
Seller 2.
The
Seller
serial number
2
is
has
1.
added the 2 product.
So but it's starting from one serial number 1, 2, right? Product 1, product 2, right? What's I come 5, 4, 5?
That is the product ID. It will be unique for all the products.
We will change.
Product ID.
It's possible to change.
No, you cannot change.
Okay.
That is a unique ID for every product. You are printing in descending order, so it's coming 5 and 4. If you print in ascending order, it will come 4 and 5. Okay, done, right? Now log out and go to the home page and place 2 order. Okay, 2 order. In one order, from both the seller, we have to add the product. From seller 1, 1 product, and from seller 2, 1 product. Okay, it should not be only from seller 1. 1 product from seller 1 and 1 product from the where? Seller 2. and two order we have to place. Listen properly. Place the first order in that two product from seller 1 and one product from where? Seller 2. Place the second order in that one product from both the seller. Okay. So I will repeat again. Place one order in that two product from seller 1 and one product from the seller 2. First order. And in second order, one product from seller 1 and one product from the seller 2. So for example, first order I will place in that seller 1 have a apple, I will add to the cart. Seller 1 have banana, I will add to the cart. And seller 2 have the scanner, I will add to the cart. So I added banana and apple from the seller 1 and the scanner from seller 2. Quantity is up to you. You can increase, decrease, anything. No problem. Okay. So seller 1 customer is going to order 3 product in that. 2 product belong to seller 1 and 1 product belong to seller 2. When delivery will happen, 2 product will come together and 1 product will come next day. Why? Because seller 1 belong to Bangalore and seller 2 belong to Delhi. So it will take some time to come product from Delhi. Correct? So that order will come in another day. That delivery will happen some other day. And 2 product delivery will happen same day. Because of that, when we place 2 order, you will find both product not came together. Both product came on the different day. Same delivery boy will come, but it will come in the different day. Okay. Recently, I have placed 2 order. So one order came day before yesterday and one order came yesterday. Because both seller are not same. Both seller are different. Okay. I'll write here my name. Okay. I will place the order. Order is placed. See, this page error has come after placing the order because we are deleting the item from cart. No, that look like wrong. So we can comment that line. Where is that line? When you place the order in the shopping page, cart page, in cart page. In cart page, you run this loop to delete the product. You can comment this line. Else unexpected, it will throw the error. You can comment this 3 line. Else unexpected, it will throw the error. मेरा भी नहीं कर रहा था लेकिन अब कर रहा है. Mine was also not throwing the error, but it is throwing the error now. Okay, so maybe sometime when you want to show someone, that time error will come, entire impression will become 0. So code let it be, comment it. Okay. If anyone asks, order is placed, now delete from cart, then you can uncomment this code. Okay. Or else person is not looking into that, then leave it. नहीं हमको भी पता नहीं है, पहले मेरा भी नहीं पता, अभी हो रहा है error. Okay, deleted, commented the code, and order is also placed. Right? Order is placed. So I can see here in the data.json file, order is received. Order is received. Cart become empty and order is reset. Okay. Now again place one order. Again place one order. ये तो प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं आ रहा है. सर्वर बंद हो गया क्या? ओहो, server was stopped because some error happened in the back end. Server was stopped. You can start it. The JSON server. ऐसे ही प्रॉब्लम आती है. कमेंट कर दीजिए वो कोड. After placing the order, the error was coming. No, you comment that code. This code. Which code? Cart. This delete cart we are written inside the loop. You can comment. Okay, so one order is placed. Place second order. In the second order, one product from one seller and second product from the second seller. So from the second seller, I will select the printer, and from the first seller, I will select the mango. One product from both the seller will go to the cart. Quantity increase, decrease, your wish. Then okay. Next, after that, we can go to the login as a seller S1. Once you log in as a seller S1, two order has come. Two order has come. But when you go to the order list, you will find I log in as a seller 1, correct? But I am able to see the product of which one? Seller 2. Seller 2. Scanner and printer both was the order by same customer. But scanner and printer belong to whom? Seller 2. That scanner and printer should not display in this order. When the seller 2 will log in, then only he can see one order, one scanner, and another order, one printer. Seller 2 should not see the banana and apple in order list, because banana apple who is selling? Seller 1. Order has come to banana and apple, so it should go to the respective seller. So in this case, now we need to apply the filter. We have to apply the if condition something something, so that it should filter it out. Happen, you understood the problem? Seller 2 also you can log in and verify once whether what is coming in the seller 2. In seller 2, you will see the product of seller 1. In seller 2, you will see the product is filtered. Product is filtered here. Product is filtered, but only problem we have where under the order. Under the order we have the problem. Under the order we have the problem. Correct? So we'll come to the order list, and inside the order list page, correct? Inside the order list page, first you get the seller ID and store in a variable that you have in product page, I guess. In product page, you have a line that fetches the seller ID from the local storage. This line I'm talking, we need to add here, let seller ID equal to local storage of seller ID. So add this line. Seller ID equal to local storage of seller ID. Happen. Seller ID written. Come down below. Under the if condition, under the map condition, second loop, not the first loop, the second loop. We have one inner level array, one outer level array. So under the inner level array, before return, we will write if seller ID variable is matching with product dot, not product, what is the variable? Each item dot seller, okay. Under the each product, you have a seller, correct? For each product, we have a seller number. So we are writing a condition here that seller ID double equal to each of seller, then only return this. Just apply just if condition and check once any filtration happen. Only write the if. Seller 1 you are logging or 2? Seller 1. It will display all product that is sell by seller 1, where the order has come. Seller 2 will log in, they will see those product that is being sold by seller 2, where order has come. Become full dynamic, end to end. Next work is to create a build and see how to run the project without React server. Now you are running the page with the help of React server. npm start. We will create a build in that all the code will convert into KB. Whatever the code we have as of now, it will convert into 1020 files. Okay, and that file you can run directly without React server. We can put anywhere and then through live server we can run and see that project will be, but backend server should remain same. Backend server have no any relation with which one? React. Backend server is the backend server, it should be running always. Then only data will come in the front end. Okay, so you run whether the through React server or run through the build. Backend server should be running always. Okay, so let's come now to the where this one, the CMD, where React server is running. Control C we can press 2 times, server will be stopped. CLS you can write screen will become clear. Okay, Control C 2 times, server is stopped, and then CLS screen become clear. If you refresh your page, it will not show you anything. Okay, see, it is not agree to log out also. Loading. It will say server can't reach because the this site can't be reached because your rake server is stopped. See, backend server is running as of now, but front-end server is stopped. So error will come. This site can't be reached or unable to connect. No problem. Let's go inside the code. Sorry, this is not code. इस सारा जितना सारा फाइल है सबको क्लोज कर दीजिए. Close all the open files. Okay, all the open files are closed, right? Close all option is there. You can click on that. All will be closed. Then you are under the project folder where we have stopped the server. Run this command npm run build. npm run build. npm run build. Enter. npm run build. Enter. So whichever the code we have written, all the code will convert into JavaScript now. All the code will convert into JavaScript. Running the build is nothing but your entire the component, public folder, node modules and all, those will be one place and it will create another folder in that. Your entire program will convert into HTML and JavaScript. There you cannot modify the line. All will be single line of code, minified file. Okay. Here run होने देते हैं पहले. Let it run. Okay, so completed. Completed for everyone. Next, after that, you can see one folder is ready here for build. This build folder is the everything of your program, what you have written till now. Build folder is the everything. Inside that, you can see the main file you have folder you have called static. Static. Under the static, media is related to icons and all. Whichever the icon we have added, that will come under the media. And then the component what we have created, it's got converted into this JS file. One main file you have called main.js file. Okay, main.js file. This is the main JavaScript file that is converted after the build. You can click on that and see the code of that main.js file and check is that written by you. ये हम लोगों ने लिखा है क्या? But you can see the URL here. Can you see the URL? It represents, that this code was written by us and encrypted by someone else. Code is written by us but encrypted by someone else. If build process will not be there, then what will happen? Google Pay, Phone Pay is running in the market, no? You will also run a UPI company from tomorrow. You will download that and you will modify the code and you will say, this is my UPI. Correct, no? So those all are the build program. Build. If suppose someone will take this code, they can do anything. Can they do anything? If you touch a single dot, file will become corrupted file. It will not work. Okay? समझे कि नहीं? So project developed, project started running. When you are going to hand over to the client, give the build program. When it run, they will be very happy. Oh, nice, very good, very job, good job, good job. Money and all they'll pay. After 6 months or 1 year or after 2 years, some changes will come. Correct. Some changes will come. Again, that company will think like last company, they have taken lot of money. Don't go there. Give to some other company. When they will go to some other company saying like, add one more page in my website. Okay, our requirement is increased. Then that company will look into the code. They'll say, माफ कीजिए पिछले वाले कंपनी यहाँ चले जाइए. Go back to the where previous company. Because they have not given the source code. It is the build program. In that we cannot do anything. If you want, we can develop a fresh application. But in this, not possible. Then again, the person will ask how much it will take to develop a fresh application. 5 lakh, sir. In 5 lakh, we can do. How much you spent last time? Then 3 lakh. They will say, no. Now cost is increased. 5 lakh is required. Then person will feel like better than go back to where? Old place. And project is already running. He may take some 10-20,000 and he will add a new page. Again, he will come back with a happy mind. Hi Ganesh, how are you? Correct? See how Smiley is talking because he went somewhere और वहां उसको धक्का लगा तो फिर वापस आया तो अब तो स्माइल के साथ आएगा ही वो. Correct? He will say there was some requirement to change in the project. He will talk in such a way that you should not ignore him because he have no any other option. Okay, he has to come to you only. Then automatically he will come in polite manner. And next, it's your earning time. It will take half an hour time. It will take 1 hour time to add. Now project is running already, no? Which project? React project. React project you have. In React project, if you want to add a new component, how long it will take? 1 day. You can add a component, add functionality, again create a build and give to the client. So now it is the earning time. You will say, what is the functionalities? This, that, this, that. You will explain. They'll say, okay, sir, no problem, we'll do it. It will take 1 week time. Within 1 week, we can make it ready. Then how much? You will say, 30-40,000 is okay. Your old client, so no problem. We'll give 20,000 only. We'll do it. Now, what will happen? It will take 1 day time. It will take half day time. It may take 1 hour also. Because already source code you have. You need to add one more component in that. Right? Means it will not take full time. It will take less time. Okay. And in less time, you can deliver the what he wanted, and for that you can bill more. Okay, so when we create a project, inside the project, React Angular project especially, when you are going to hand over the project to the client, you will not give to the, that depend on the commitment. After development, are you going to give the source code also, or you are only going to give the build, right? If there is no paperwork on the source code, then company will give only build and there is something, because later again it will come back. If they'll give the source code, then company will not come back again. Okay, they will say like, already we have source code, give to other company and let's make it modified, less cost. Okay, so this is the final code of your which one project, JS file. And look into the CSS file. One file is there, main.css. This is also something that what we can understand or not understand, we can check it. All are look like CSS only, no? But it is encrypted CSS. Okay, encrypt. Bootstrap we have integrated. Those CSS is converted here. Font awesome we have encrypted. That is here. Where? Under the media. JavaScript code you have written. That is under the JS. This code we cannot modify. Okay. If you want to modify anything, you have to go back to where? SRC. And in SRC do any changes, test the project, and again after that create a build. An old build will be backup and the new build will be the live. You will see, no, sometime bank will send you the email saying like tomorrow 9 o'clock to 9:30 the server will be under maintenance. Correct? Or sometime when we download the app, WhatsApp we use, after 4, 5 months, 6 months, it will say need to update. What is that update? The build is running in your mobile, that become the older, and new build is released. Where? Under the Play Store or wherever it is. And your mobile keep communicating from where? Play Store, saying like any new changes. Then the Play Store will say yes, new changes is there. The version is running in your mobile, it is lesser than current one. Then it will pop up you saying like update. When you update, what will happen? New build will come. New build program will come and install in your system, and old will be maybe backup or it will get replaced or maybe get deleted. Depends. Sometime in window also, when we install the new window, right? When you are installing the new window, what will happen? Or updating the window, then old window will become a backup on the desktop, and then new window will get installed. What is that? New update has come. What is the update? New build is released. In the previous build, this feature was not there. In this build, this feature is there. Window also, when you keep using after 10, 15 days, update will come. What that? The current build of your system is lesser than updated build in the server. Okay, when communication will happen from your computer to server, it will check. The running build is a smaller than available build. Yes, then it will update for the pop-up for the update. Okay, now that how the build is work. Okay, build is nothing but you develop the project, and now before uploading into the server, you are going to encrypt your code so that someone will download and they cannot get the original source code. They will get only the executable program. So our executable program is ready under the build folder, and source code is available under the node modules SRC and all. Okay, so this build folder we can keep anywhere and we can run directly from there. It is not necessary that it will be under this folder only. Okay, so let us do that modification. Come to that shopping app, you have a build folder. Copy from here, just copy from here, right? Copy from here and paste anywhere. Like suppose I will paste outside. I pasted here outside. Okay, you can also copy and paste somewhere else. Like assume like you kept your folder somewhere else. Okay, this folder you taken and you kept somewhere else. It is not part of React now. Okay, it is not part of React. Okay, so folder is copy paste. Next work is come to your VS Code, go to the file and open folder. Go to the file and open folder and load only the build folder, not from inside the project. That we have copy paste no just now outside. One build folder we have copy paste outside. That folder you need to load here. Okay. So you will see only the build folder with the static images and index.html and something. Okay, so done till here. Now let us go to the index.html file. In complete project, only one index.html file we have. Before also there was only one file in public folder. One index file was there, no public folder. This is the index file that was in the public folder. Okay. So do the it's become an encrypted code now. Not encrypted, minified code. You can see everything in single line. Everything is in the single line. This is the compiler friendly. When you execute this file, compiler will relax, like there is no white space. Execution will be fast. Okay. Now do the right click in this file and select the format document. So line break will happen. Right click and format document. All came to the new line. Okay, all came to the new line. अब देखो आप, here is one problem. What is the problem? Usually, to call a file from the same folder, we use dot slash. In React, you remember, no? Dot slash, right? We write dot slash, we write. Or even we don't write slash itself. If you don't write slash means it will focus to the current folder. Or if you are writing slash, then dot slash. See here, in this file you can see index.html is here only. And a static folder is also here itself. So either we have to write dot slash static or we have to remove the which one? Slash. So only slash is the wrong here. It will not locate the CSS file. Okay. So remove the slash before static, two places only. One CSS file is calling and one JS file is calling. Just remove this. Even if you want, you can remove this slash from the here also, from logo also, from here also, everywhere. Remove the slash so that it will represent the static folder in current folder. Okay, it will find the static folder in the which folder? Current folder. Okay. It will find the static folder in the current folder. A static folder in the current folder. So hope done for everyone. Next, after that, you check once that your JSON server is running as a backend and React server is not running, correct? There is no any server now called React. React has given the build come under the build folder that is loaded here. So now the React build folder become your front-end project and JSON server is running, that become as a backend. Okay. And between this build folder to that JSON server, communication will happen with the help of fetch function. Okay. So now do the right click in this file and open with live server. Without live server, fetch function will not work. Okay. Even the React related, Angular related project will not work without live server. So open with the live server, right click and open with the live server and check one. Project is loading as usual. Same, no? It was the same, right? You can do some add to cart. Oh, item is already in the cart, so it will not take. I have to delete from here. You can add some item. More than 2, 3 you can add from all the sellers. And then place the order. Place the order. Place the order. Order will be placed. If you want, you can delete the item manually also after placing the order, because automated delete code we have removed. Then you can log in as a seller and check once order has received or not. If order has received, then you can see seller 1 can see only seller 1 product and seller 2 can see the seller 2 product. That was under the orders here. Happening. So this become your build program that has no any relation with the React server. It is become as a live server. Okay. So whenever any company will give the homework, correct? If you want to make yourself as a smart, then complete the homework and send the source code, that is one part. And along with that, send the build program also. Create a build and index file, modify that, remove the slash and send the both the folder. And while sending the email, write in the email to run the build program, download the API folder, download the build folder and unpack it, extract it, go to the API folder, open the CMD and type following command, JSON server start something. Again, go to the VS Code, load the build folder, do the right click and open with the live server. You will see that. Like when you are sending the any homework to any company after finishing, how to run it, you have to write that manual. You have to write that documentation. Else, how the third party will come to know what you have written and where to run, how to run. Correct or not? If you write that proper documentation, then they will feel like, oh, you have inner level knowledge also. Okay. So whenever we submit any homework to any company, right, send the source code is okay. And how to run the source code. You have to write the, which one? A step inside the email. How to run the program. How to run the project. A step number 1, download this, install this. A step number 2, download this, install it. A step number 3, open the CMD from here. Run the following command to start the JSON server. Step number 4, go to the React and open CMD. Do npm start to run the React server. Okay, open the browser, you will see the output. Second should be there. How to run the build program. Download the build folder, keep on the respective folder, unpack it, extract it, open in the VS Code, right click on index.html, open with the live server. Okay, and then you can see the project. So this way, if you write documentation, 50% impression will come from here on. Okay. So I used to write the email like this, plus Even I suggested to many people also, if the homework is okay, homework they have given, this homework is correct, and if you're writing proper documentation, 80-90% expectation that results will be positive. Okay. For one person, I have guided him to write everything step by step, send the source code, and wrote full documentation. After that, next day the call came. HR asked him, "We don't have any further question. Okay, we have no any further question. Okay, and then come and join." I said, okay, because what they expected, you have given everything. Correct. Now, suppose you created a functionality, not HTML page, no, so that someone can run directly. It is server related here, there, so many things. So you have to write the steps. You have to guide them what to install and where to install and how to run it. Okay. ऐसा करेंगे तो बिल्कुल होगा. कौन सा error? Okay. So hope build is working for everyone. जब मैं एक ही सर्वर के दो प्रोडक्ट डाल रहा हूँ, एक आएगा, इसमें नहीं आएगा, उसको लिमिट नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसको निकाल नहीं सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते हैं. देखिए यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है उसका, मैं बताता हूँ प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे है. वो प्रॉब्लम इधर है. जैसे देखो आप, ये जेसन डेटा है ना, जेसन डेटा, ये तो एक ऑर्डर है ना एक. ये ऑर्डर में हमने फर्स्ट लूप रन किया तो वहां तो कुछ कंडीशन चेक नहीं किए और एक कस्टमर का डिटेल्स प्रिंट कर दिए. कस्टमर का जो डिटेल्स हमने लिया है उसमें तो कुछ सेलर आईडी ऐड नहीं किया है. सेलर आईडी ऐड नहीं किया ना कस्टमर में, तो ये तो आ ही जाएगा डायरेक्टली. ठीक है. इस ये आप लिमिटेशन मान लो किसका, जेसन सर्वर का. ठीक है. जेसन सर्वर का एक लिमिटेशन मान सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे आप ज्यादा कोड लिखेंगे तो फिर ये कंफ्यूजन होगा. कोड लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. ऑर्डर जब प्लेस करेंगे उस समय कुछ इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं, सेलर आईडी ऐड कर सकते हैं एरे फॉर्मेट में. ठीक है. फिर यहाँ पे तो दो चार जगह लूप रन कराएंगे तो हो सकता है कि कंफ्यूजन हो जाए कहाँ पे क्या हुआ. इतना तक बेस्ट आप दिखा सकते हैं. Till here it is okay. We can go to anyone. It is. दूसरी चीज आपने वो स्लैश हटाने के लिए बोला है. वो स्लैश रख के हम लोग रन करेंगे तो सोर्स कोड दिख जाएगा. नहीं, सोर्स कोड नहीं तो प्रोजेक्ट ही नहीं रन करेगा, ये पेज नहीं दिखेगा. ये पेज नहीं. हमारा वो एसआरसी फोल्डर दिखेगा. एसआर आप कहाँ से रन कर रहे हो? एसआरसी फोल्डर वहां पे क्यों है? मैं बोला हूँ कि आपको ये बिल्ड को कहीं और रखना है, वहां पे नहीं रखना है. तो वहां पे एसआरसी कहाँ से आ गया? अलग ही रखा है सर. इतना पे रन कर सकते हैं. लॉग करना होगा यहाँ से. नहीं यहाँ है. ये पॉसिबिलिटी कहाँ एरर आता है पता है? जब सेम पाथ पे नहीं सेम पाथ पे नहीं. ये मैं इसलिए आपको बताया हूँ कि जब ये फोल्डर आप सर्वर में अपलोड करेंगे, ये फोल्डर, ठीक है, अगर ये फोल्डर मेन वेबसाइट में जा रहा है, जैसे abcd.com में डायरेक्टली डालेंगे, ठीक है, तो वहां पे चलेगा. लेकिन जब इसको किसी फोल्डर के अंदर डालेंगे, abcd.com/shopping के अंदर डालेंगे, तो इसको पाथ नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है. तो बेस्ट वे क्या है कि इसको हम हटा देंगे. किसको? स्लैश को हटा देंगे. तो वेर एवर वी कीप दिस फोल्डर, तो वहां पे इसको डायरेक्टली स्टैटिक फोल्डर दिख जाएगा, वहां से फाइल को पिक कर लेंगे. ठीक है. ओके. नेक्स्ट वर्क इज ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन. प्रोजेक्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो हु विल राइट द प्रोजेक्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन? ये जो प्रोजेक्ट आप बनाया है इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन कौन लिखेगा? ट्रेनर तो नहीं लिखेंगे, वो तो फिक्स है भाई. नाउ सी, I'll guide you how to write it. Okay. When you log in as a seller, when you log in here as a seller, right? When you log in as a seller, what you are doing in the dashboard? Let's start from here. Product. What you are doing in this component? You are adding the product. You have used called use state fetch function, right? So you have to write one paragraph related to this component. Which component? New product. Add product. What you are doing in the new product, you have to add it. Write the notes. Okay, that should be somewhere nearly 100 words. Okay. Second, inside the product list, what you are doing? You are fetching the data. You are using use state, use effect. You are displaying the pagination here. You have followed the search, right? You have used the delete. You have followed the delete method. Correct. So, each component, whatever we have implemented in this component product list, you have to write another paragraph. Okay. So, how many paragraph we got? 2 paragraphs. Let's come to the order list. In the order list, what we are doing? We are fetching the data from the API. But this order come from where? From the customer. Customer wise order will come, and even the seller wise also order will come. So that we have to write the another paragraph. Everything, whatever we have implemented in this, you have to write in the normal description. What you are doing under the order list page. What function you have used, what are the use effect, use state, use effect, जो भी आप इसमें यूज किया है सबको आपको लिखना है in a third paragraph. Now come to the dashboard. We are fetching and displaying the length of product based on seller. We are displaying the length of order. Order come from where? Given by client. Fourth paragraph. Correct? So how many component? 1, 2, 3, 4 component. 4 paragraph is ready. 1 minute, okay. Yeah, hello. Okay. Next, after that, next we are written call logout. Right? In logout, what we are doing? We are clearing the session, local storage, which function you use, how you are redirecting, window.location, dot reload, वो सबको आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखना है. So how many paragraph? 5 paragraph. 5 paragraph, if 100 words if you are writing, then 500 words. 500 words no? 2 minute तो लगेंगे बोलने में. It will take 2 minutes no? It will take 2 minutes or not? Now if you also you ask what you are doing in dashboard, explain me. What you are doing in the order, manage order, explain me. What you are doing in the add product, what you are doing in the order list, how logout is happening, how search is coming, how pagination is happening. Correct? To explain this all, see, if you not write in the notebook, no, you can't explain. Your entire definition will get finished in 10 sentences only. Entire description will get finished in the 10 sentences. You will not get material to speak. So you have to write the notes about which one? Each component. That happen in the which one? Back end. Now coming to the front end. In front end, number 1, account creation. What we are doing in this, we have to write another paragraph. Okay. Second one, login. We are maintaining the local storage and all. We are checking the server, how we are posting, all we have to write second paragraph. Cart. In cart, how the items are coming. What we are doing in the cart, plus, plus, minus, minus. Placing the order, correct? How you are placing the order, which function you have used. All we need to explain in this. The which paragraph? Third paragraph. And in fourth paragraph, what we are doing? We have listed the product. This product is uploaded by whom? Seller. Where the seller comes, seller need to register. Product is getting search here. Pagination you have added. After that, add to cart, how it is happening. Right? So this will become a which paragraph? Fourth paragraph. So 4 paragraph from here and 5 paragraph from there. Total is a 9 paragraph. 9 paragraph, nearly 3 pages. 3-page description. And I'm not writing all right blindly. Open the component, what you have done in that. Write as per your understanding. Correct? So 3 pages will be the material. When you want to speak it, you can drag it for 10 minutes. People will not allow to speak for 10 minutes. You speak about 1 or 2 paragraph, people will just ping you the question. How you are doing add to cart? Okay, from there next technical question starts. That's all. So we need to have a material to speak for 2 minutes initially when the people will ask you, explain me about your project. If you have not prepared the content and if you are not made ready to speak, your entire sentence of the entire material of the project will get finished in 1 minute. You cannot even speak for 1 minute. You will say, I have created a shopping art where we do add to cart, where we upload the product, this, that's finished. Okay, but not explain like that. Start explaining in the project. There is a 2 module, seller module and user module. In seller module, we have following component. In this component, we do this one. In this component, we do this. In this component, we do this. In this component, we do this. These all are under the seller module. When we come to the public module, user module, following components we have. In the first component, user register, we follow this. In the login, we do this. In the add to cart, we do this. In the home page, shopping component, we do this. This is the overall project what I have done. Finally, I created the build with the help of npm run build and I run through the light server. Okay. Possible to write the notes? मैं तो नहीं लिखूंगा because I have done till here. Now remaining you have to write it. Reason not I will write because if I will write, I will understand. But that is not requirement. Requirement is if you are writing, then only you will understand. Correct? And if you will not write, you will not understand. आज जाइए 4-5, ठीक है, व्हाइट शीट खरीद लो आप A4 का, खरीद के लेके जाना है घर, ठीक है. Buy some 4-5 white sheet A4, 1 rupees per sheet will come. 10 rupees it will come. And after going home, sit on the project and don't write description after 10 days. You will forget. Today and tomorrow you finish the description writing. Okay, पेन से लिखना है कहाँ पे? पेपर पे. Okay, and then read it 2 times, 3 times, and definitely whenever anyone will ask, explain me about your project. Start from the module wise. It's a shopping project. There is a 2 module, user and seller. One seller, one project, multiple seller. Multiple seller we can register, no? Each seller can sell the product like a Flipkart. उसमें like add करते रहो आप, like Flipkart. Okay, where we can add the item to the cart. We can delete item from cart. We can increase the quantity, decrease the quantity. Finally, we'll place the order. Correct? ये मॉड्यूल वाइज आपको लिखना है, ठीक है? लिख करके फिर देखिए कैसा. ओके, सो डन.
सर वो गलती से अगर सिर्फ एक आइटम ऐड करने को बोल दिया और तो ब्लैंक
बोल देंगे कि दिस इज द लिमिटेशन ऑफ जेसन सर्वर, आई कैन नॉट डू. या उतना तो अभी हम भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, करेंगे तो फिर वो समझ से बाहर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. While adding the cart, we need to push all the seller ID. Again, while displaying the item, we have to run another loop. Inside the array, we need to search which seller ID is existing. Code length will become bigger. Okay, that will become somewhere unable to explain. ठीक है. अगर वहां पे बात आती है तो आप बोल सकते हैं since in JSON server we cannot implement the RDBMS, relational database management system will not be happen through the JSON server. So in that case, this limitation I cannot override through JSON server. For that database is required. Okay, उतना आप वहां पे लगा सकते हैं, वहां तक कोई पहुंचेगा ही नहीं. ठीक है, वहां तक कोई नहीं पहुंचेगा. Okay, then thank you. Next we'll see you on 24th. हाँ, 2 बजे. कल तो मैं थोड़ा गया, थोड़ा हायर प्रायोरिटी काम था और फिर यहाँ से जाने में लगभग 2 घंटे लग गए, आने में 2 घंटे लग गए. वहां पे SBI का तो काम आपको पता है ये है. ठीक है, सारे बैंक देता है ऑटोमेटेड